Hello guys and welcome to a new crypto video of the most beautiful music instrument there is, the crypto violin. Guys, I hope you have an amazing day. Today I am back with some very juicy content. I hope you're ready because we are gonna look at the XRP price, at the Cardano price, because I am also very bullish on Cardano. I think lots of bullish things can happen with Cardano. Oh my god, it's going up a lot, guys. Oh, I am so bullish. Let's get ready fast and then we are gonna talk about some bullish news of the SEC and what's going to happen there. I hope you're ready. Before we dive into the juicy and bullish content, I want to kindly remind you to subscribe to my beautiful Crypto Violin channel. We are above 10k subscribers. Let's go to 20k, guys. That's my new goal. 20k would be amazing, guys. Let's go. Without further ado, let's dive into the juicy and bullish content I have for you today. So first of all, guys, this is the XRP USDT chart on Binance on the daily, and we see that for the past weeks we have been in a downtrend now after the very bearish SEC news. But we formed since a couple days, we are forming an uptrend again. Okay, so we are forming an uptrend. If you look very careful, we see here uptrend going on. We opened again a new candle above this uptrend, so that's very bullish. Okay, if we manage to break above this downtrend, we have a buy 2, a buy 3, buy 4 or early bird signal. Guys, I will be very bullish and I will put everything I got again in XRP. Then I would guarantee that XRP can go to the moon again. Okay, we wait for those confirmations, guys. In the meantime, look at this. This is Cardano on the daily, guys. It opened and closed above the support and made it resistance now. And guys, wow, we have 40%, we have 83% or 108% potential profit if we buy and hold till 43 cents resistance, 57 cent resistance and 65 cent resistance. Guys, I am very bullish on Cardano. This is a very nice investment, guys. It's very nice because it has been in an uptrend for very long and it gave a buy 4, an early bird, moon and a buy 3 signal. So we are very bullish. Since the last signal we are up already 67%, so I am very bullish that this coin can go up to the moon, guys. So don't pass this chance to make 40%, 80% and 108%, guys. Okay, please don't. It's going up already, well, as we speak. So please don't forget that you can make money on other coins while XRP is steadily coming to fruition and coming to life again after the huge sell-off, because we will see our time. We will see our gains. Of course we will. Okay, in alt season everything pumps. Okay, of course XRP will pump, but in those days you can also profit on other coins, guys. Okay, I want you to remember this, guys. Please open your eyes. Okay, I want to share some other very juicy articles. This from the blockcrypto.com. Japan's top security regulator says XRP is not a security. Okay. Quick take. Japan's FSA, the country's security regulator, has confirmed to the block that it views XRP as a cryptocurrency and not a security. This is the first time the FSA has commented directly on the legal status of XRP. So very bullish news. Japan's financial service agency, the country's securities regulator, has confirmed to the block that it views XRP as a cryptocurrency and not a security. Guys, let's stop there. That's enough. Guys, that's enough because we know enough here, guys. Okay? So XRP is a cryptocurrency in Japan. The United States is missing out on something very huge, but Japan is not. So if the regulators in Japan don't think that XRP is a security, okay, then if the regulators in Japan don't think XRP is a security, then that's a very positive sign. It's very bullish, guys. But I hear you think, why did the SEC enforce action on Ripple if XRP is not a security? Why? Let's read this article, guys. CryptoNewsFlash.com posted, SEC enforcer behind Ripple lawsuit resigns. Bye bye. New chairman called XRP a bridge currency in 2018. The acting enforcement director, Mark P. Berger, who was also responsible for the lawsuit against Ripple Labs, will leave the SEC. Bye! Gary Gensler is expected to become the SEC's new chairman under Joe Biden. A new YouTube video shows Gensler calling XRP a bridge currency in 2018. Not a security, a bridge currency. The US Security and Exchange Commission announced yesterday that Mark P. Berger, the acting director of the Division of Enforcement, will end his tenure at the agency this month. For Ripple and the XRP community, this could be positive news, just like the departure of Jay Clayton as SEC chairman. Berger played a major role in the SEC's action against Ripple Labs after he was named Deputy Director in August 2020 and Acting Director of the Division of Enforcement at the SEC in December. Although Berger's time at the helm of the division was rather short, he used it to lead the enforcement of the securities lawsuit against Ripple Labs and its co-founders. Under Berger's leadership, the enforcement division prosecuted significant cases across the spectrum of the security industry, including a focus on enforcement actions related to unregistered initial coin offerings. In addition to the actions against Ripple, this included that against Telegram Group Inc., which in the course of the proceedings halted the sale of its Gram token and agreed to return more than $1.2 billion to investors. Berger was also considered a hardline in insider circles, as the SEC's current chairman, Elliot L. Roisman, also emphasized in a statement on Berger's departure. Throughout his tenure, Mark maintained an impressive focus on aggressively pursuing bad actors and finding the best outcome for harmed investors and for the greater investing public. Guys, that's BS, okay? Harmed investors. He harmed more investors by suing Ripple than he ever saved, guys. That's crazy, okay? That's BS. He harmed everyone, okay? XRP was worth 1/3 after he was done with the lawsuit. That's crazy, okay? But guys, we have bullish news. Gary Gensler takes over the SEC chair under Biden. Another piece of news that could have a not insignificant impact on the outcome of the SEC lawsuit against Ripple Labs could be the possible appointment of Gary Gensler as the new SEC's chairman. According to a Reuters report, President-elect Joe Biden will appoint Gary Gensler to the head of the SEC. As Crypto Newsflash reported, Gensler is considered to have an affinity for crypto, which is reflected in his tenure at MIT as a professor of blockchain, digital currencies, financial technologies and public policy. What a Gensler tenure could mean for Ripple, however, seems unclear. While Gensler has expressed in the past that there is a strong argument that XRP is a security, he also said the same thing about Ethereum, which was subsequently classified as a non-security. Interestingly, a video surfaced yesterday of Gensler giving a talk as a MIT professor in which he refers to XRP as a bridge currency. Guys, let's watch this. This is very interesting.
Say Mexico, if it's between the US and Mexico. So one idea that's been around, it's widely associated with Ripple, but it's not only associated with Ripple, is this simple chart. What if I move fiat to crypto and crypto to fiat? Is this called a bridge crypto or bridge currency? I can sort of say I can go from US dollars to Bitcoin or XRP, you fill in the middle, and then move over to the other fiat, Mexican peso in my example. And might that take some cost out of the system? We have Sean's issue earlier of volatility. If the crypto is fluctuating a lot, that causes some issues. If there's a lot of cost or friction, because now you're doing two currency exchanges, not one. I'm calling crypto a currency for this purpose. I know that crypto is not technically a currency, but for this moment, let me just call it, you have two currency exchanges, and thus you have two bid-ask spreads to pay. Just the market makers, you need to pay the bid-ask spreads twice, and you have some volatility if the middle crypto is moving around. But this simple diagram is a big part of what Ripple is trying to create with XRapid. Right, Xcurrent is a messaging app of Ripple's, and it's competing with Swift. And it has some reasonable adoption.
So it has some reasonable adoption. Guys, this guy knows what he's talking about. He did his homework. He knows everything about Ripple and XRP and how it's being used, Xcurrent, XRapid, everything. That's amazing, guys. A well-educated new chairman of the SEC. That's very interesting.
Banks are starting to use it. But don't confuse that with another product, which is an interesting product that kind of does this, that goes fiat to crypto, crypto to fiat. So what problem, what pain points would this be solving if it worked in the cross-border? Anybody want to remind the class what the, Tom?
Well, this reduces the number of intermediaries. You don't have to have your bank engage with a correspondence bank, which engages with a local bank, which then it sort of...
All right, so it might, I'm going to say it might lower the intermediation because you still have on the two fiat sides, a bank, a local bank and a bank, and to do the crosses, you need some market making function, which in Ripple's case, they try to build into the application, and they have market makers to provide liquidity. There was a question, somebody mentioned liquidity, some liquidity, but it might lower the numbers of intermediaries. What else might it do?
It might fasten the process to a couple seconds, guys. So that's it, guys. I hope you like the content provided, guys. Cardano is pumping, XRP is pumping, guys. I am very bullish. I hope you're also. If you like the content providing, please subscribe to the beautiful crypto mining channel I have to be notified. Also, if you like the trading robot you're seeing here, in the description below you can get the 7-day free trial, guys. I get more information about this amazing robot because it's calling everything, guys. Okay, if we are dipping, it says sell. If we are mooning, there it says buy. It's a perfect dream coming true. Okay, please make sure you get this because we don't want to lose money in the next bull run. We want to cash out at the right moment. We want to cash at the right moment in this alt season, guys, and that's what this robot is gonna do for you. I hope you have an amazing day and see you in the next bullish and juicy video. Have a great day. Bye.